Summer cooking with tomato basil rice. A friendly dish for vacation. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we're making a delicious summer dish, homemade tomato basil rice. This recipe is perfect for beginners, affordable, and absolutely bursting with flavors. Plus, it's perfect for summer vacations. So, let's dive in. Let's take a look at the ingredients we'll need. 1 cup of rice. You can use long grain, jasmine, or basmati rice, whichever you prefer. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This will add a nice richness and bring out the flavors. 1 small onion, finely chopped. Adds a lovely depth of flavor. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. Garlic is always a great addition. 1 can, 14 ounces, of diced tomatoes. If you have fresh tomatoes, you can use those too, just chop them up. 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. This adds a concentrated tomato flavor. 1 cup of chicken or vegetable broth. Use whichever you have on hand for cooking the rice. Half teaspoon of salt. Adjust to taste. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. For a hint of spice. Half teaspoon of dried oregano. Adds an Italian touch to the dish. Half teaspoon of dried basil. If you have fresh basil, feel free to use that too. Half teaspoon of smoked paprika. Adds a subtle smoky flavor. Fresh basil leaves, roughly chopped. For garnish and extra freshness. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's start cooking. Step 1, rinse the rice. Begin by rinsing the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This helps remove excess starch and ensures that the rice will be fluffy. Step 2, sauté the onion and garlic. Heat the olive oil in a medium-sized skillet over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onion and cook until it becomes translucent, about 3 minutes. Add the minced garlic and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, until fragrant. Step 3, add tomatoes and seasoning. Add the diced tomatoes to the skillet, followed by the tomato paste. Mix everything together. Next, add the salt, black pepper, dried oregano, dried basil, and smoked paprika. Stir to combine. Step 4, simmer the rice. Add the rinsed rice to the skillet and stir to combine with the tomato mixture. Pour in the chicken or vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the skillet with a lid and let the rice simmer for 15 to 18 minutes or until the rice is cooked and the liquid has been absorbed. While the rice is simmering, here are a couple of tips. If you prefer your rice to be a little more firm or al dente, reduce the cooking time slightly. For added protein, you can stir in some cooked chicken, shrimp, or tofu at the end. Feel free to customize the spices to suit your taste. Step 5, garnish and serve. Once the rice is cooked and has absorbed all the liquid, remove the skillet from the heat. Fluff the rice with a fork to separate the grains. Sprinkle the chopped fresh basil on top and give it a gentle stir. Taste the rice and adjust seasoning if necessary. Step 6, plate and enjoy. Serve the tomato basil rice hot as a side dish or a main dish. For an even more summery touch, add some grilled vegetables or a fresh salad on the side. And there you have it. A beautiful and delicious homemade tomato basil rice that's perfect for a summer meal. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or a group of friends, this dish is sure to be a hit. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let us know how your tomato basil rice turned out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more multi-recipes and cookery videos. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking. See you next time.